Quality coffee that starts at 80 pesos lang? Seryoso ba to? Nanobabaw ka balin? Welcome to Wern, Pampanga. And today, nandito kami sa grand opening ng bagong coffee shop na game changer for student and budgeteers. Quality coffee without spending too much. We were invited to witness the grand opening ng Tomoro Coffee dito sa lead building sa Rosario Street, Angeles City. Pero ano ba ang Tomoro Coffee at bakit exciting ang pagdating nila dito sa Pampanga? Tomoro Coffee is an Indonesian coffee chain that expanded to the Philippines in 2024. Started in 2022, they became one of Southeast Asia's fastest growing brands with over 450 stores in Indonesia and presence in China and Singapore before entering the Philippine market. Yung grand opening, grabe ang energy. Maraming attendees, may ribbon cutting ceremony, and the opening was attended by the owners and some personnel from Tomorrow head office. Special promos pa that time, 50% off, plus freebies and giveaways. Sobrang hype. Now, let's talk about the space. Modern and cozy yung vibe. Around 40 to 50 people lang kasya. Indoor seating, laptop friendly, perfect for solo work, meetups, or me time. So may outlets, may Wi-Fi. So students and professionals are welcome here. Here's the best part. Espresso Classic starts at 80 pesos while Tomorrow's signature drinks starts at 110 pesos only. Perfect for students, budgeteers, pero gusto pa rin ng quality coffee experience. We tried their coffees, pastries, and savory treats. And honestly, impressed kami sa quality versus price ratio. You're getting legit coffee without the premium price tag. Open sila daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, morning coffee runs, afternoon work sessions, or evening hangouts, pwede ka dito. Babalikan ba namin as a regular customer? Definitely. Tomorrow Coffee, Angeles City. Quality coffee at an affordable price. Drop coffee na sa comment section. Tag your study buddy or workmate and save this para sa next coffee date ninyo. See you tomorrow!